In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Perplexity AI username. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and you'll have a few helpful tips to make the process smooth and stress-free. First, open your Perplexity AI account. You can do this in a web browser or the mobile app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in so you have access to your settings. If you're on the web, head to the main Perplexity page after logging in. If you're on mobile, open the app and land on your home screen. The goal here is simply to be inside your account and ready to access your profile options. Next, click on Account. This is usually represented by your profile picture or an initial, often located in the top corner on desktop or in the navigation bar on mobile. When you tap or click it, you'll see your account menu. Think of this as your control center for everything related to your profile and preferences. Now, under Account, find and select the option that says Change Username. This is the place where you can update the public name people will see associated with your activity. If you don't spot it right away, look for a Profile or Settings section within the Account menu. The Change Username option is typically listed there. Once you open it, you'll see a field where you can enter your new username. Type in your new username carefully. Aim for something simple, clear, and easy to remember. Avoid including personal or sensitive information. If your first choice is taken, try small variations, like adding a short word or a simple separator. Keep in mind that many platforms only allow certain characters, and some may limit how frequently you can change your username, so pick one you're happy to stick with. When you're satisfied, click Save. Before you do, give the username one last look to make sure there are no typos. After saving, wait a moment for the change to process. Your updated username should appear across your profile shortly. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page or closing and reopening the app. That's it. Open your Perplexity account, click Account, choose Change Username, enter the new name, and click Save. With those simple actions, your profile is updated and ready to go. If something doesn't seem to work, double-check your internet connection and ensure the username meets any on-screen guidelines. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed username.